it's not just a big, luxury SUV that checks all of the pre-requirement Audi boxes: comfort, refinement, and cutting-edge onboard technology. But it also gets the fundamental right. In other words, the three different automobile models have large enough battery. Furthermore, there are a ton of specs for which to choose, allowing you to customize your Audi Q4 e-Tron to meet your driving requirement. A sportier S-Line is available if you want to do something with more athletic styling. And at the top of the line comes the opulent 4-sprung trim, which has limitless level of plus equipment on board. The entry-level sport models include everything the majority of drivers could ever require. With the introduction of the Q4 e-Tron and Q4 e-Tron Sportback SUVs in 20 and 22, Audi will double the size of its EV-focused e-Tron lineup, which reflects the company's ambitious goal in the luxurious electric vehicle market. The Q4 siblings have a footprint that is similar to the small Q5 crossover and also smaller than the mid-size e-Tron SUV. While a single 201 HP electric motors and a 77 kWh battery packs serve as a powertrain foundation, an optional 294 horsepower dual motor system with all-wheel drive offers greater performance. Every charge, the battery pack is supposed to provide a driving range of up to 251 km. When the Q4 e-Tron version go on sale, they will compete with other small electric SUV like the Tesla Model Y and the Volvo XC40 Recharge. By the end of 2021, the Q4 e-Tron should be available at Audi dealership. The charge condition can reach 80% in around 30 minutes. A regular wall plug or a charging station can be used for charging. A charging station is always used for public charging. The maximum charging capacity of the EVs and the charging station being operated determine how quickly the EVs can charge. The Audi Q4 e-Tron 40's charging option unlisted in the table below. The charging time for empty to full is displayed for each choice. The 40 powertrain has a single electric motor with 201 horsepower and rear-wheel drive and its foundational component. This arrangement is also present on the mechanical comparable Volkswagen ID.4, which dropped to 60 mph at our test track in 7.6 seconds. The more potent all-wheel drive Q4 e-Tron 50 and Q4 e-Tron Sportback 50 produce 295 horsepower with an electric motor driving each angle. A proposed 0 to 60 time of 6.2 seconds is the outcome. It will still swift when compared to other gas-powered compact luxury crossovers, though it is slower than the gasoline-powered Audi Q4 SUVs. The ride will remain smooth thanks to an adjustable suspension. When we have had an opportunity to drive the Q4 e-Tron vehicle, we'll be able to say for sure. The inside is a display for Audi's most cutting-edge technologies. The interior of the Q4 e-Tron is comparable to that of other Audi models, but it also includes a few distinctive elements, such as a square of steering wheel with touch-sensitive control and a toggle switch-gear selection. Although just a 4-seater version of the Q4 e-Tron concept was displayed, the production model will accommodate 5 people. The amount of passenger space inside should be comparable to that of the gas-powered Q5. However, there isn't as much room for cargo.